Hey guys, so today I'm doing a new video, another haul video. I have filmed 3 haul videos today, so they're probably gonna be spread out, but I will be wearing the same thing, so whatever. Okay, today we are doing a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. This is just the starter box. My cousin had a code where the starter box was free. You just had to pay like the $5 shipping, so that's what I did. And yeah, so I got all this stuff for $5. That's pretty cool. So it comes with a little magazine just about the products pretty much that are in here. And yeah, it also has like a little card that describes everything. And then it came with 4 products. And I mean, this was a very good value for the $5 that I spent. And yeah. So the starter box, if you can get that code, it's definitely a good deal. I mean, I don't think you're gonna get the same products every time, but from what I got, it was a very good deal. Let's just jump right into it. So the first product that I got was from Dr. Brandt, and this is the triple peptide eye cream. Guys, this retails on my card. This retails for $82. And that's what it looks like. It's definitely like the full size and everything. So $82, and I paid $5 for all this stuff. Crazy deal. I definitely recommend if you have a code, or if you like your friends have a code, I would definitely do it. Yeah, so we got that. I mean, eye cream, I don't really ever use, but I have an $85 option now, so sweet. The next thing that I got is a body wash. It's a hand or body wash. I'll probably just use it as a body wash in the shower. And I'm not gonna be able to say the name of that brand, so there it is right there. This is the Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand Wash and Body Wash. And it smells like lavender oil. So that's a pretty good one. Like, I definitely know I'll use this up. So, and this was $40. Another very good product. I mean, all of these products are like very expensive. So yeah, another good one. And that one I'll definitely use. The next product that I got was a necklace, and it came all wrapped up, but I threw away like all the packaging already. Let's see if I can, okay. Here's the necklace. I don't really ever wear jewelry, but this is very nice to get. It is the CZ by Kenneth J. Lane. And it's the round basil necklace, or bezel necklace. This was $60. Crazy. So that is what it looks like. Ignore my nails and cat scratches. But it's just a gold chain, and it has like a little dangly bit up here. And then it has 2 little like gems. So like this is like the main one. And then it has another little one right there. Yeah, so that will definitely be pretty. I really don't have much for jewelry besides like something cheap. So this is nice. That'll be definitely nice to have. And then the last product is this from Too Faced, and this is the Hangover Good to Go Skin Moisturizer. And here is what it looks like. It's just a moisturizer. It has SPF 25, which is decent. And this is like made to go under your makeup. So a like daytime moisturizer. I usually just wear moisturizer at night. Occasionally, I'm not the best at skincare, but I definitely need to get back into it because I've been breaking out. So yeah, a new skincare product. And this is $34. So, I mean, I definitely got a very good steal on this box. I paid, like I said, $5 for this box, and I mean, like over $100 worth of product. So definitely a very good deal to get the starter box. I wasn't paying attention to my email and I bought the next month. I wasn't planning on buying the next month of Fab Fit Fun, but I did, so we will have another unboxing. But once I do get that one, I'm going to cancel it. I know it's a great deal. It's always fun to get subscription boxes. I just I can't afford it right now. So I will have one more unboxing whenever that one arrives. I know Fab Fit Fun is just seasonal, so it's like $55 per box, which is expensive, but it's only 4 times a year. And I know you do get a very good value. I'm not trying to downplay it at all. It's definitely a very good value. My cousin gets it, obviously, because that's how I got the code. I just can't really afford it right now. So that's that. I'm going to cancel it once I get the next box because I already paid for it. So there's that. You'll see. So we'll do another unboxing when that arrives so we can see what our value is for an actual box. I mean, the starter box is definitely a very good value. But that is everything that I have for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe down below for more, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.